Hi children, welcome back. In our previous class, we have studied about heat and its units, temperature and its units, absolute temperature, conversion of temperature from one scale to another scale. Today we have got only two topics. First one is thermal contact. Second one is thermal equilibrium. First of all, let us understand what is thermal contact. Thermal contact is a state in which two or more bodies can exchange their thermal energy, that is heat. If two bodies are placed in such a way that they can exchange their heat energy, then they are said to be in thermal contact. Clear? Let us try to understand it more clearly with some examples. Suppose you are sleeping on a bed, then you are in thermal contact with the mattress and pillow. When you are brushing your teeth, you are in thermal contact with the brush. When you are taking your bath, you are in thermal contact with water, soap, mug, bucket, etc. When you are taking your breakfast, you may be in thermal contact with your spoon, food items. When you are going to school, you are in thermal contact with your uniform and your school bag. When you are actually in the class, you may be in thermal contact with your bench, your chair, book, pencil, etc. In all these cases, heat exchange takes place. At present, you are in thermal contact with your mobile phone, is it not? All the time we will be in thermal contact with the atmosphere. Always we are in thermal contact with the ground. So all our contacts are thermal contacts. Our physical contacts are thermal contacts. Whatever you touch, whatever you do, you will be in thermal contact. But all thermal contacts essentially need not be physical contacts. For example, when you are standing near a campfire, you are in thermal contact, but you are not in physical contact with the campfire now. So all physical contacts are thermal contacts, but all thermal contacts are not physical contacts. Is it clear? Next, thermal equilibrium. What is thermal equilibrium? See here, when two or more bodies are in thermal contact, heat transfer takes place from hotter body to colder body till both the bodies attain the same temperature. This is an important point. When two or more bodies are in thermal contact, heat transfer takes place from hotter body to colder body till both the bodies attain the same temperature. Suppose that there are two bodies here. One body at 100 degrees centigrade, another body at 20 degrees centigrade. Means this is a hotter body, this is colder body. When these two bodies are kept in contact with each other in thermal contact, hotter body loses its heat energy, colder body gains heat energy. Heat exchange, heat transfer takes place till both the bodies get the same temperature. See here, this body got 60 degrees centigrade, this also got 60 degrees centigrade. Actually 100 degrees centigrade became 60 degrees, means here heat loss takes place. Here heat gain takes place. So in that way, hotter body loses its energy and colder body gains energy till both the bodies get the same temperature, and that is called thermal equilibrium. Is it clear? That's all for now. Thank you very much.